Welcome to my channel, friends. Puggles is waiting all day long for Dad to come home. So is Beata too. Together they insist to stay on the front veranda till Dad comes at 8 in the evening. Every day must be a very long day for the two of them. Oh, the absolute excitement when we hear Daddy's car from afar. Puggles gets so excited he can't bark properly. Finally, he arrives home. Some of my art dabbling's here. A few lovely sunsets we've had at different times. The chicks all hear the new chick being hatched behind me, but I didn't, so it came as a big surprise when it suddenly gave a very loud chirp at the back of me.
At Dan's place, there's a sweet vibe today. Two little dogs keep the boredom at bay. They watch the door from morning till night, their tails wagging when Dad's in their sight. Dan's place, so it's where it goes down. Pigeons cooing, crows acting the clown. New chicks flutter like a fresh sunny ray.
The chicks are very interested in the new one who chirps so loud and clear.
The garden's alive. Baby chicks learning how to touch the skies. Pigeons gossip while the crows steal the show. Sneaky feathers fly where the mischief will grow. Ants play, so it's where it goes down. Pigeons cooing, crows acting the clown. Chicks flutter like a fresh sunny ray. Life's a party in Ant's place every day. Ant paints dreams in the shade of her tree. Colors running wild like her creativity. Dad's footsteps echo, the pups start to dash. Joy in motion like a camera flash. In this small corner you'd think it's serene, but it's a circus with a neighborhood scene. Dogs and birds writing stories untold. At Ant's place, it's pure heart and gold.
Oh, the miracle of new life so fascinates me I can watch it for hours. Seems the new neighbour already lost most of his new pigeons, as we only see one these days, when there were about 12 or more just last week.
At Ant's place there's a sweet vibe today. Two little dogs keep the boredom at bay. They watch the door from morning till night, the tails wagging when Dad's in their sight.
I'm not surprised though, as we have many stray cats and dogs around.
Pigeons cooing, crows acting the clown. You chicks flutter like a fresh sunny ray. Life's a party in Ant's place every day. The garden's alive with the sound of surprise. Baby chicks learning how to touch the skies. Pigeons gossip while the crows steal the show. Sneaky feathers fly where the mischief will grow. Ant's place, so it's where it goes down. Pigeons cooing, crows acting the clown. You chicks flutter like a fresh sunny ray.
Loads of crows again this year. Noisy and vicious birds they are. They chase away any other little birds, and they like to steal chicken eggs and eat my veggie sprouts.
Sneaky feathers fly where the mischief will grow. Ant's place, so it's where it goes down. Pigeons cooing, crows acting the clown. You chicks flutter like a fresh sunny ray. Life's a party in Ant's place every day. Ant paints dreams in the shade of her tree. Colors running wild like her creativity. Dad's footsteps echo, the pups start to dash. Joy in motion like a camera flash. In this small corner, you think it's serene, but it's a circus with a neighborhood scene. Dogs and birds writing stories untold. At Ant's place, it's pure heart and gold.